Hello my dear students, welcome to the today's class. In the today's class, in YouTube classes, we are going to start the new chapter, that is the biodiversity and its conservation. That after according to the board, they deleted some topic, but this is the retained topic, the unit, that is the biodiversity and its conservation. What state the biodiversity? On the earth, the number of living organism is existed. Which is the existed living organism is there. There is the differences is there. There is a variety is there that can be expressed by through there is biodiversity. What is the meaning of the biodiversity? Biodiversity meaning bio means life, diversity. Diversity stand for variety. Diversity stand for the what? The variety. In the which is the life is there, that there is show the variability. There is a differences is there. That is called the biodiversity. Actually, the concept of the biodiversity. Concept of biodiversity. The concept of biodiversity first given by Rosen. In the year of 1985. The concept of the biodiversity. The term of biodiversity coined by Edward Wilson. Edward Wilson is a popularized or the term of the biodiversity given by Edward Wilson. The concept of the biodiversity given by Rosen in the year of 1985. What is the biodiversity? There is a differences is there in the life. In that life, maybe which is there, the microorganism is there in that life. Microorganisms, fungi, algae, and the plants and animals, you can take etc. This all can show there is a variability we observed. In the microorganism also variability is there. The fungi also variability is there, and algae, the plant and animals. In that variability also, that variability happen within the species. Maybe that variability happen within the genetic level. The variability may be ecological level also. The variability happen that the biodiversity is occurrence that. But in the biodiversity, so generally we pose the one question. For example, another galaxy, a group of stars is called galaxy. In any another galaxy, somebody came and asked to us, how many animals is there? How many plants is there? How many ants is there? Yes, how many insect is there? If you ask anybody, we didn't say the answer exactly. Answer we didn't say. There is no idea about that. But according to this is which is the species are going to disappear, which is the origin about that. Who explained in our India that is there? That is about IUCN. What is that? IUCN. What is the IUCN? International Union of Conservation of the Union of Conservation of Nature and Natural resource. It is established in the year of 2004. According to the IUCN, he explained that in IUCN the generally on earth the plants and animals number, the plant and animals number is have more than 1 million, more than 1.5 million number of the plant and animals is just, it is hypothetical only, not exactly that. In this only it is important, it is given in the textbook of NCERT textbook there. Along with that, some of the number animals number is given in the textbook of NCERT, that is a very important in a exam point of view. That for example you can take that according to that ants, orchids. The ants and orchids, it is have the 20k, mean 20,000 orchids and ants is present on earth, just expectation. Now we can take that fishes, the 28k, the fishes are the how much, the 28k. Now we can take the beetles, 30k. Beetles is a 30k. It is not exactly, it is gave in NCERT textbook. It gave in an NCERT textbook that. Okay, here that once we can go for the evolution. Once you go for the evolution, in the evolution, what state the evolution? How the life is originated? How the life is originated? How the we are human beings is formed. Once in this situation, once we remind the Charles Darwin that in that according to the evolution, the first how the form that life, first atoms become a simple molecules. Atoms become simple molecules. The molecules to become a form the macromolecules. The number of the macromolecules aggregated itself, then to form the cell organelles. It form the what? The cell organelles. Number of the cell organelles to become a cells or the cell become the tissue. The cell become the tissue. What is the cell? A group of similar origin cells to become form the tissue. Similar origin cells, nothing but which is the cells is there. That cells maybe it is formed the ectoderm or mesoderm or endoderm. Either which is the cells is formed from the ectoderm layer, then to become a tissue, or mesoderm cells to become a tissue, endoderm cells to become cells. Any one origin is the same. That cells become the tissues. That cells become what? The tissues. The tissues then to become a what? Organ system. The next organ system become a organism. Organ system become a what? The organism. The organisms to become a population. Yes, the population to become a community. Population become the community. The community in that the abiotic and biotic component is there. The finally to form the ecosystem. Ecosystem is a form that biotic is a living things. Abiotic is a which one? Non-living things. The ecosystem, the finally to form the biosphere. Once here atoms become a simple molecules become a macromolecules aggregated to become cell organelles like mitochondrial lysosomes, like the number of the cell organelles to become a cell, a group of cells, similar origin cells to become a tissues. Tissues become organ system. Organ system become organism. Organism population. Population become community. Community there is a abiotic component is there. Then to form the ecosystem. Ecosystem become a biosphere. Ecosystem become a biosphere. So like that the sphere is the form that. In that also the biodiversity, we can divide the biodiversity into the following types. There is the biodiversity can divide the following types. Level of the biodiversity. Now we are going to discuss about the level of biodiversity. The level of the biodiversity. The biodiversity levels are divided into basically three types. Genetic level of biodiversity. Next, the species level of biodiversity. The next is the ecological biodiversity. About this we will explain the next video. Thank you one and all.